when you get exposed to screens or yung video monitors, we tend to get dry eyes. Lalo na yung dati na, yung mga call center agents, they're always on the computer. When you are concentrating kasi on the screen, you tend to blink less. Ang pag-blink natin, dapat mga 30 times in a minute. Pero when you are engrossed and you are typing,
mulat na mulat
ka lang, mulat na mulat, your eyes dry up. Kasi we blink to moisten our eyes eh. So when you don't blink, you're staring. Mga 10 times ka lang nag-blink in a minute, that dries up your eyes. So ang effect niyan, makati, lumalabo siya, kaya kailangan nating bumanon. We tend to rub our eyes. So, dry eye syndrome can cause discomfort. So, hindi alam ng marami yon na alam lang nila makati, they just rub their eyes. Pero, limiting your screen time can actually decrease your discomfort. Kaya totoo yun yung after 2 hours man lang, you look away from the screen and then you look at something green or tumingin ka sa malayo. Kasi yung muscles mo will relax in the eye.